Hello, what is up guys? It's me, Mr. J from BookWizard, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use BookWizard's ideas and briefs. When you first log into BookWizard, automatically you will be sent to our ideas and briefs screen, just like what you're seeing right now here. This is where you can generate ideas or create book briefs for your next book. But of course, before I show you how this works, you need to have your own BookWizard account. So go ahead and click the link down in the description of this video, create your account, log it in, and you should be able to see this dashboard right here. Now, first of all, let's take a look at our inputs. The first one is a type, genre is the second one, and the last one is initial ideas or topic areas. So for the type, we have two, nonfiction and fiction. So if you want to create a nonfiction book, you can choose this. If you want to create a fiction book, then of course choose the other one. So within the types, we have different genres, of course. If you go to nonfiction and you choose a genre, as you can see, we have a lot of nonfiction genres here. We have travel, social issues, biography, food, history, philosophy, all of that good stuff. Now, if we go to fiction, we also have a list of genres that we can choose from. We have horror, fantasy, drama, adventure, romance, western, all of that stuff. So depending on what genre you want to create, you might want to choose nonfiction or fiction. So for me, I'm going to choose nonfiction for now. I'm going to choose the music as my genre. So I will create a book that is a nonfiction book with the music genre. Now for the third input, you need to create or type an initial idea or topic areas. So if you want to create a book about music, in my example, I want to create a book around the topic music theory. So that's it. That's all you need. Just put in a type, a genre, and an initial idea or a topic area. So you can make a sentence here, or you can just make, just like what I'm doing here, just 2 words or 1 word. The more details you add to this, the more details, of course, your book is going to be, or the ideas or briefs generated is going to be. So once we have all of the inputs ready, we can click generate ideas here to the right side of your screen. Just click this button and let's see what ideas BookWizard has for us. There you go. So with just a simple click of a button and a few inputs, you have 4 ideas so far, as you can see here. So we can choose from all fiction and nonfiction. Of course, I use a nonfiction genre, so it's going to be a nonfiction, none in the fiction area here. And let's just choose all. We have 4 ideas. You can generate another set of ideas if you want, but let's see what ideas BookWizard has for us. The first one is the theory of everything musical, how music connects us all. So there you go. We have melody mapping, a journey through musical landscapes, rhythm revolution, the science behind the beat, harmonic horizons, unlocking the secrets of sound. Of course, we have these ideas, but you can actually edit the ideas that it generated. So if you click this, any ideas here, as you can see, we have a cursor. You can select sentences, change the words, all of that stuff. You can read through the ideas that it has here and then just change it a little bit depending on what type of book you really want to create. So you can choose this one or this one. All of it is editable. If you want to delete an idea, just click the X button here. And we have another button here that can generate the brief of our book. So the first step is creating the idea. The second step is creating the book brief. So for the brief, I'm going to choose the first one, the theory of everything musical. So once I choose this and I'm happy with the idea, we can click generate a brief. Just click this button here. As you can see, it is now loading. Let's wait for it to create the book brief. And there you go. It's finished. We have a button here that says view content brief. So let's go ahead and click this button and let's see the content brief of our book. There you go. Content brief. You can edit the brief where necessary. Changes will be auto-saved. So you can change the title, subtitle, the big idea. You can read this through and change anything here. We have the themes. We have writing style. We can choose a writing style or use the one below we have here. Intended audience. You can also edit that. So it's very, very detailed what you want this book to be about, what the style of the book is, and the people that you are targeting for the readers of the book. So we have again genre here and the book length, which you can choose from 10,000 words or different 1,000 words, and the book length, which you can choose from short, medium, or long. I think we can change this in the first screen. If you go back here, yes, you can. You can change the words here from 10,000 words to 30,000 words. So let's just view the content brief again. We chose 10,000 words for now, and we have all of this as a content brief for our book. We have chapters and outlines. You can click refresh if you want to generate the chapters and outlines again based on your edits that you created here. But we have a lot of things here. We have 7 chapters, and each chapter has at least 4 outlines here. So this is a very thorough book about music theory, or the theory of everything musical. Now, if you go to the bottom of the screen here, there is a button that says write book. And if you want to write the book using all of the details that we have here at the top, you can choose to write the book for 30 credits. You can also add, I think, a chapter here if you want. There you go. So if you want 8 chapters, you can add that here. All of that stuff just from one simple idea, choosing your topic or the type of book and the genre of the book. Very powerful stuff that we have here. Now, I think that is all for this video. I'm going to generate a book from a content brief, maybe in another video, but for now, I'm just going to show you how to use our ideas and briefs page here in BookWizard. If you like this feature on BookWizard so far, click that like button to show us that you want to see more of these features. If you don't want to miss any of our new features that we're going to add to this website, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification bell so you will get notified whenever we drop a new video. If you want to follow us in all of our social media accounts, the links to those will be down in the description. Once again, my name is Mr. J, and this has been BookWizard. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.